Hi guys, you're still here at Wake Up Ilocos at its live act session, and I'm here with the bridge band right now. Of course, we'll be having you some songs. So, would like to give you our first song, something from the Vertical Horizon. I know it's been a long road. Get this down behind me, and I will gladly reap what we make. So I am there for you, you're there for me. Pictures and photographs, memories and wisdoms, goodbyes and appetites, heartbeat and hello. Are you waiting for heart and head, woman and man? See me where I stand, I am heart and head. This fields may hold a hunting ground, but the wolves are far behind me, and I hear the house of the distant sound of messengers lost at sea. Into the morning light, followed by madness, which drew the empty fight. All right, once again, thank you so much, guys. That was Heart in Hand by the Vertical Horizons. Once again, I would just like to plug in the Bridge Band. They have been the shows everywhere here in Vegan. You may catch up them in any bars. Answer, would you like to say something?
And please log on or to just like to invite everyone to please visit our website on www.thebridgeband.webs.com. And if you want to know more about our group, to browse our pictures and videos and everything. Thank you.
All right.